The cabin air filter in your 2017-2020 Genesis G80 traps dust, pollen, and pollutants, ensuring clean air inside your vehicle. Replacing it regularly, every 15 to 25,000 miles or annually, is crucial for optimal HVAC performance, reducing allergens and preventing musty odors. A clogged filter reduces airflow, strains your AC system, and can impact your health. The cabin air filter in the 2017-2020 Genesis G80 is located behind the passenger side glove compartment. It's housed in a plastic box, easily accessible without removing any dashboard panels. No special tools are typically required for access. Before you start, gather these items: a new cabin air filter, OEM part number 97133-3E0, or a compatible aftermarket filter, gloves to protect your hands from dust, and a flathead screwdriver may be helpful to pry open any clips. Consider an advanced filter with activated carbon or HEPA-style filtration for enhanced odor and particle removal. Start by opening the passenger side glove compartment completely. Gently detach the glove box by depressing the friction tabs or clips on either side. This will allow the glove box to swing down further, revealing the filter housing behind it. Be careful not to force anything, as the plastic can be brittle. Behind the glove box, you'll see a plastic cover or panel that houses the cabin air filter. Locate the retaining clips or tabs on the cover. Use your fingers or a flathead screwdriver to gently release these clips and remove the cover. This will expose the cabin air filter. Carefully slide the old cabin air filter out of the housing. Note the direction of airflow indicated by the arrows on the filter. Install the new filter, ensuring the arrows point upwards. Make sure the filter is properly seated in the housing. Reattach the filter housing cover, making sure the clips are securely fastened. Swing the glove box back into position and re-engage the friction tabs or clips on either side until the glove box is securely closed. Ensure the glove box opens and closes smoothly. Start the vehicle and test the HVAC system to ensure proper airflow. Turn on the air conditioning and heating to verify that air flows freely without unusual noises. If your G80 has an air quality sensor, reset it through the infotainment system to ensure accurate monitoring. Navigate to the Vehicle Settings menu and select the Sensor Reset option. Regularly check and replace your cabin air filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually to maintain optimal air quality and prevent reduced airflow. Consider upgrading to an advanced filter with activated carbon or HEPA-style options for better protection against pollutants, odors, and allergens. Dispose of the old filter responsibly by recycling it if possible or placing it in regular trash. Avoid inhaling dust from the old filter during disposal.